Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Ciao amici! Hello friends! My name is Francesca Caccini and I was born on September 18, 1587 in Florence, Italy. Florence was a beautiful city filled with art, learning and, of course, music. I grew up in a very musical family. My father, Giulio Caccini, was a famous composer and singer, and the music filled our home every day. From the time I was a little girl, I learned to sing and to play instruments like the lute, guitar, harp and keyboards. Music became part of my life from the very beginning. When I was about 20 years old, I became a musician at the Medici Court in Florence. This was a very big honor, and I was paid more than any other musician there, even the men. I loved writing music, and one of my most famous works is an opera. An opera is like a play, but instead of speaking, the actors sing all the words with an orchestra playing the music. My opera is called La Liberazione di Ruggero, the first opera written by a woman that we still have today. I also wrote many songs for voice and instruments. One that people still love to sing is called Maria Dolce Maria, which means Mary is with Mary. I even published a book of songs called Il primo libro delle musiche, or the first book of music. These songs give singers a chance to show both skill and deep emotion. Here is a fun fact. I was not only a composer and performer, I was also one of the very first women to have her opera performed across Europe. My music traveled far beyond Italy and inspired people in many countries. In my personal life, I was married twice. My first husband, Giovanni Battista Signorini, was a fellow musician. Together, we have a daughter, Margherita, in 1622. After Giovanni passed away, I remarried a nobleman named Tommaso Raffaelli. Sadly, he also died only a few years later, and I returned to Florence with my daughter. I lived most of my life in Florence and passed away in 1641 when I was about 54 years old. I was part of the early Baroque era, a time when music was becoming more dramatic and emotional, full of new sounds and ideas. I am proud that my music helped shape this exciting period. Being a woman composer was not easy in my time. Many people didn't believe women could succeed in music the way men did, but I proved them wrong. I worked hard, persevered, and showed the world that women too could write great music. I once said, all things are possible to women if they know how to persevere. I hope that inspires you too. Whether you are practicing an instrument, writing a song, or chasing a dream, keep going and don't give up. Grazie for listening to my story. And as always, happy music making!
Hello, I'm Megan, and my husband Ben and I are the team behind Dynamic Doodle Co. If you want to help pick the next composer and get exclusive downloads, join us on Patreon. We'd love to have you.